Oh my God, I'm recording. Logging your entire wardrobe. Is it worth it? I've done it twice now, and I'll kind of explain why later. But I wanted to talk about why I'm cataloging my closet, if you should do it, tips and tricks for doing it, and some really exciting news at the end of the video. So I recently used a different app to catalog my closet, and some things happened where the app could not run with how many friends I had on the app, how many clothes I had. The app was always glitching, and the last thing I wanted was to not want to use the app. I wanted to use it. So now I'm using the app Index, and everything runs really smoothly, so there's that. This video is not sponsored by Index. They're not paying me to say this. I'm not working with them, but I will be working with them later in a different way, not like a sponsored video, and you'll kind of see that, what I mean. So if you guys don't know what cataloging your wardrobe is, essentially you take a picture of every piece in your closet and you upload it onto an app or anything else you would. I don't know, I've only seen apps, I guess. Some benefits to doing this would be planning your outfits digitally, being able to see everything you own all in one place. I know that if you have a horrible closet organization system like me, you can tend to lose a lot of your clothes in the junk of it all, which sometimes I like. Sometimes I need to know what I have. There's really cool features on most of these apps, including Index, where you can tally what days you've worn the outfits and how many times you've worn those pieces, kind of get cost per wear, where your clothing is from, size, all that kind of stuff. It's really easy to catalog your clothing on Index. You just take a picture of a flat lay of whatever you want, or you could honestly, if a lot of your things are new or are still on websites and want a really high quality photo, you can screenshot off that website and upload it onto Index, and then Index removes the background so easily. It doesn't have to be a perfectly white background like I show in this example, and then it runs you through some prompts of size, brand, color, all those kinds of things. Then you have it in the app and you can play around with it digitally. So if you guys are thinking about doing this and it feels really overwhelming to you, my first biggest tip is to just do it by the season. I did not upload all my winter clothes into the app yet because I'm not thinking about fall and winter apparel right now and outfits. So to chunk my closet basically into halves was a lot easier for me. I do recommend adding pieces though that you don't wear as often, and maybe you're even thinking about selling, because I think that this is a great way to reimagine the pieces when you're not stressed and trying to pick an outfit out to put on immediately. Next tip, I would say, I didn't do this because luckily my wardrobe was already half cataloged, so I could just kind of take it from the other app. Also, my boyfriend Brandon took the pictures of the clothing for me. Thanks, Brandon. I think that this would be so fun to do, invite your friends over and everybody take pictures of your closet, open a bottle of wine, get some snacks, play some music, have fun with it, and then the next weekend go to your next friend's house and do it. Just way more fun with a buddy than standing there and taking all your pictures on your own. Something I think these apps do a really good job of with cataloging your clothing is taking away just scrolling on, Depop or Instagram, getting outfit inspo. I look to my own closet for outfit inspo with these because I'm how many different ways can I play? It's a dress up game. I love just making outfits aimlessly on this app, and I'm having so much fun doing it. I've already worn a few of the outfits that I created because it really sparked something. Every outfit I've created on the app is something that I've never worn before, which was really exciting. And I styled some outfits from my closet, and I want to show you guys what I created. My wardrobe will also be open to the public, which was something I struggled with the last app. It didn't let me do, and that's what would keep crashing. You just download the Index app. You can use the link in the description box, but no pressure. Then something I have really exciting for next week's video, before we get into the outfits, just a heads up, is I'm getting styled by 3 influencers who are currently stylists on the Index app, which I think is really exciting, and I can't wait to see how they used my closet. I've done a personal styling in the past, but it wasn't with clothes I owned, it was things I had to buy, and I will go over the whole process of how I kind of signed up and the information I gave these influencers on the app. And if you guys want to be styled by me on the Index Index app. I will announce it again in my next video, how to enter that giveaway. And then also, if you don't win the giveaway, how to purchase a style lookbook from me on the Index app. That's not to come yet because I want to show you exactly how the lookbooks work and kind of my review of them. I haven't opened my style bundle or lookbooks yet, but they are ready in my app and I'm so excited. So let's get into my little outfits that I styled. If you guys want a more in-depth video on cataloging your closet, I really didn't want to repeat too much, but Liz did a really good video. She's also one of the people who will be styling me in my next video. So there's that. Is there anything else? I don't think so. Yeah, let's do the outfits. Okay, this outfit's already like very weird for me. I like was trying to do things that I normally wouldn't do, just pair together from looking at my wardrobe. So this is something where like it's kind of hard for a stylist to know just looking at your clothes in a flat lay, but you can like add little notes about like how things fit, what length, that kind of thing, because this skirt like looks too long and this looks like super corporate girl. So I'm actually gonna roll it. And this is something obviously like if somebody had styled me in this and not myself, I could do this post anyways. That just adds a totally different vibe. I normally pair this little blue t-shirt with some like baggy denim and I think it looks really cute that way. But I had sunglasses in the picture and my little Gucci bag. My little Gucci bag. So this also, I started like stopping. I'm moving, you guys. You gotta be this way. I would say that this look is like very smart and it's very chic. Like the bag with it makes sense. I honestly like how these look in the bag when they do that. Just like a total juxtaposition of it. But I think like a burgundy bag would look better. And that's where it's like a little bit hard for me on an app to do styling with accessories and stuff. But I think like as a basis of top, bottom, shoes, or you know, dress and shoes, it's really good. But I like to do the accessories like in real life when I can, if they're not like that big of a deal. And I don't think that this purse, you need to move again. Can you guys move? Okay, that's a lot better. I don't think this outfit like relies heavily on the accessories. This little two-piece is very cute and it makes sense with the loafers, and this kind of goes into like my cosplaying for everyday life idea to like add the loafers to this. But I think if you wanted it to be like more casual, a sneaker would be good. And I feel like if we had done the sneaker, baby sock, if we had done the sneaker in the flat lay, it would look really horrible. But like there's something kind of fun and messy about it. And I think like this is a really cute and chic outfit and it's like different, and that's what I like. It's not my go-to. I don't even know if like the sunglasses are the right move. Yeah, they are. Cool, first outfit is definitely a success. Very different for me and I like it a lot. I'd probably do sneakers instead, but I like the loafers as well. Yay. Okay, next. I've been so obsessed with this skirt. If you guys don't recognize it, it's from Cider of all places. And I wear it all the time. I can't be stopped, I'm sorry. I paired these little Dr. Scholl's with this outfit, which, wait a minute. When I was just holding them up, I was like, there's no way. The shirt has stains on it too. I just love the color of it. And like the fit is so good. But like this makes it, I felt like I was kind of struggling with how to make this skirt more summertime with such like a dark, but it's honestly really good. I'm just trying to figure out, do I want my like shirt tucked in? No, I like it out. I paired this skirt with just like a black tank top tucked in. Oh, then I did my basket. Of course I did. This is adorable and something I definitely wouldn't have together. Just like the shoes felt like a curveball to me, but it's really cute. I think that also this with like sneakers would be really good. Honestly, anything. Another win. Also, I did this first styling my own clothes because I'm so curious if anybody in the next video who styles me together the same outfits or really similar outfits. I want to know like how diverse my closet is with a pair of new eyes looking at it. I don't know, you know what I mean? I'm really excited. So I did all these outfits before I saw any of the lookbooks. I still haven't seen the lookbooks. But I think that's so cool. I just love everybody's like opinions and I don't know, different perspective on things. I always ask, I don't know, like I wanna know what everyone's thinking. Does it affect what I'm thinking? No, but I wanna know what you're thinking. Okay, next outfit. Something that is a problem with cataloging your closet is If you can't find the pieces, what good is it? I don't know. I can't find the exact skirt that I paired with this top. So I found this little black flowy skirt that I forgot I had and is not cataloged, but I should catalog it. It's actually from Halara. It's got like built-in spandex shorts, and then it's like a sheer flowy skirt. But this outfit's like very strange for me, which is weird because it's like not strange at all, and I think that's why it's strange for me to wear. This shirt is from Ghani. I definitely don't wear it enough. I paired it with this little clutch that I thrifted, and then my black moto boots. I just like don't really know where I'd wear an outfit like this, and when I was in the app, I was obviously just like playing. I think like for drinks, like dinner with friends, even like out to the bars, like this would be a really cute outfit. I'm really happy that I put it together. I definitely don't wear this shirt enough, and it was actually from a style like lookbook video I did with Fashionably, where they styled me with clothes that I didn't already own, and I bought one of the outfits, and this is the top from them. I loved that video and those outfits and all that kind of stuff, so I really like it. I added the sunglasses, obviously, post. It's cute, it works really well. I thought that was gonna be a flop. So something I noticed when I am playing with my clothes digitally, since I can't really see the fit and like silhouette, obviously I know it in my head, but you can't see it on the app, I end up leaning a lot more into color, which is something that I feel like I didn't do before having my closet cataloged, and then I kind of stopped because I had to basically stop using that old catalog I was using. But this is something that I would never pair together unless I feel like looking at my clothes in flat lays. I'm unsure about I actually love the sneakers. I was just about to say I didn't know about them, but I like them. And then I paired it with a little brown purse, but now looking at it, I'm like, I don't think that would work. Is it black or is it a mother trucking basket? I think it's a basket, like just be kooky. There's no black in this outfit, so I don't want to add black. And I have like a cream purse, but I think the basket's where it's at. I think that this is, again, just such a cute outfit. I'm so into a graphic tee that's like a pop of color, not just black or white, because it's like adds really simple color blocking. These kind of skirts are like my favorite right now, this length. From Revolve, I can link it. Samba's in a basket bag. That's why I can't carry my basket anymore. I literally just like, this would be such a simple outfit that I will 1000% wear day to day. I'll probably be holding like a diaper bag instead, which, you know, jinx for my outfit, but I love it. Like, is this a dumb outfit? I like always say I want to get better at accessorizing. I really don't think you have to accessorize to be fashionable. I've talked about this in my last video that I do think accessories matter more than the outfit, but if your outfit's good, they don't need the accessories. And that doesn't mean that your outfit has to be over the top to not need accessories. You can have a really simple outfit that is just like good. Okay, so these next outfits I made later, so I didn't accessorize them on the app because I realized I like just doing it in real life better. I struggle styling this top a lot. It goes with that little gingham skirt, and to style it with this is really easy. And I also have a really easy time styling the mini skirt or midi skirt on its own. But this top sometimes feels just a little too booby on me. Like, it's pretty booby right now. But I wanted to figure out how I could do it for the summertime where it feels a little bit more modest. And I think adding this skirt to its full lengthness is doing the gist. This is a skirt actually, so the shorts in the back, like, isn't that fun? And then I think with the Mary Janes is really cute. You guys, I got these, I walked into the store and I bought them. I didn't wear them out, but when I went home that day, I changed into them. I walked 3 miles while carrying a 30-pound baby. And then the next day I wore them and walked 3 miles carrying a 30-pound toddler. Like, if you wanna know why I'm absolutely ripped, that's why. But these shoes didn't give me one blister. Isn't that awesome? Okay, besides the point, what purse? I think, do I wanna add burgundy to this? Or is that too much? I feel like I struggle so bad with purses, not only with picking them, but also like buying them. I never know what to get. I like my Telfar a lot, and I feel like that with this outfit, I don't know why, but I actually want to match the shoes. I'm normally so against matching shoes to your purse, but I like it. Then I think it does need sunglasses, just a little bit more black accent. We're gonna like match all our accessories since we've got a lot of going on here with like the pattern mixing and color mixing. But I think like this, it's so cute. I actually adore this outfit. I'm going to Chicago again in a few weeks for my brother's birthday, and I feel like this would definitely be a good outfit to like walk around. And then the Telfar is so good because it's also crossbody. I got it so long ago, but I, like, kind of miss it. It's really cute. Does it still buckle? Oh yeah, that's adorable. Yay! This one was, again, like, I wasn't quite so sure about it on the app, but it looks really cute on. So I'm happy, and I love these shoes so much. They're like my new everyday shoe. First of all, I forgot that I had paired this top with these pants before, and now I'm looking at it and I'm like, that's so cute. I have to add it to my index so I don't forget this outfit combo. But also, I thought I brought my not capri, and I brought my capri ones. So we'll see if this outfit still works. If it doesn't, it was my fault now. Present Lainey, not past Lainey. I always forget about this top. It's actually a PJ top from Old Navy, but it's giving like Doan, and I think it's really pretty. I think this outfit's the first flop. I do not like it in the mirror. Maybe I'll like it on camera, which happens sometimes. My own fault for the pants. I think that I could save it, like just changing the shoes and socks, but it's like not speaking to me at all. This is very like Pinteresty. I normally like a track pant with like a fancier like sweater, cardigan, or even a tank top, but I don't know why on me the flowy puff sleeves is like a little too kooky. Maybe like sneakers on bottom would work, but again, like I'm just not even in the mood to salvage this. So our first flop.